Alright, he's going around traffic now. In the oncoming lanes, trying to go around, turning southbound Marietta.
Double check your downlink.
Downlink's on, I checked it earlier. And transmitting. He's driving on the right shoulder on Marietta, trying to get around traffic. Tried to make a right turn on Kennesaw, spun out, almost 41. Gonna be really stuck in traffic now. He's trying to go in oncoming lanes of traffic, southbound at Huff, still on Marietta. Just 41 into a truck, 41 into another car. Sideswiped several vehicles. The vehicle's gonna be disabled now. It's gonna be a black male running white tennis shoes, gray hoodie, running southbound Marietta on the sidewalk over the... Just tossed a gun under the bridge, still running southbound Marietta. He's going to be jumping the fence at Marietta. He's in the wood line now next to the railroad tracks. Where Marietta and West Marietta. Right there, we drove over them. He's right next to you. Just ran past him. He's in the woods right there. Going down towards the railroad tracks. He tossed a gun down there. You just passed him. Going to the woods. Yep, you guys are right on him. You're going right at him. I don't think he has anywhere to go. The person in the front, he's like 10 feet in front of you, just barely to the left. You're 11 o'clock, laying down in the bushes. Alright, they're giving him commands. One in custody. And I need somebody to go retrieve that gun he threw on the railroad track so we can get somebody down there.
No, tired. Pretty bad. Busy. We got the 6-9 right here.
Yep, that's where we were looking at. Should be right there, and there may be a magazine next to it.